Hello YouTubers, thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope you like my videos. So please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any. Thanks a lot.
And don't forget, if you give this video a thumbs down, that means you like sniffing your own farts. Just putting that out there.
Am I getting thirsty? I can't read how long that's 41 minutes. And then I had about 20 minutes that it just did time lapse and no video, so I probably got that plugged in just in time. Lynx Lake again? I do. So I'm going to go into the South Shore again. Maybe I'll go on the North Shore too. Cruising the lake, I gotta go get something to drink because I'm just so thirsty. I can't stand it. Well, obviously I can stand it. I'm going to stand it for a while longer. Under the clouds again. It's nice and cool. Okay, the next intersection should be the entrance to the South Shore. Lake, South Shore. Fee area, fee required. Yeah, it's a bunch of crap. Public lands, and you gotta pay. That started when Clinton was president. Called it a user fee. Well, what the heck are our taxes? But I have a lifetime pass, so here. Woman up in the Coconino National Forest telling me I had to pay $4 or $4 something. Well, that's not true, because when I got this pass, I got it right at the Forest Service office. And they told me for day use areas it was free. You get a discount, so you got to pay something for camping, but day use areas you don't have to pay anything for. Boy, that was a rough speed bump there. And there's the lake. Nice and calm. Well, back in this cove, there's some ripples on the surface out in this main body of the lake. Bass tracker. The launch ramp there. Some kayaks out. Hikers, picnickers, and fishermen. Kayakers and boaters, canoers. Okay, and now we're going out. I know I showed you that before, but I wanted to go in there again. I think I was 19. I was on a little back road like this in the Cleveland National Forest, and I come rocketing through there. I thought, oh, these twisties are nice, and there's nobody on the road. I was rocketing through there. I was on a Yamaha that I had at the time. Oh wait, no, because I didn't get that Yamaha till I was 22, and I'm pretty sure I was 19, so it must have been the Harley chopper. But you wouldn't. That's not really a bike I would do that on, but it must have been on that bike, because I know I was 19 when I did it. I should have gone off road. Go around that. Anyway, I was just taking those curves really nice. Or maybe it was a 350 Honda that I had, CB 350. No, that was a 71, and in 71 I was well, maybe I was 20. Okay. It couldn't have been the chopper, and it couldn't have been the Yamaha. It must have been the 350 Honda. I had the chopper at the same time, but I would not have been riding like that on that. But it had to have been the 350 Honda. And I was just zoom through the turns, those curves, having a great old time. And then I come around this one, and just like that was up there in front of me when I was reminded to start telling you the story. Then I got sidetracked and didn't get telling it till got out, but like that car was, there was a car. Ooh boy. Well, I managed to slow down without running into the back of the car or running off the road or going on the wrong side of the road. But that was my next escape plan, if I couldn't slow down fast enough, was to go on the wrong side of the road and hope nobody was coming around the other curve. Except the dam. It's a mile back there. I'm not going to walk back there, but I'm going to ride back there to the trailhead. Never taking you back there. This would be a good thing for exploring with Mr. Nobody. This is real historical. This goes back to the Anastasi. Ruin back here, but I'm not going to go back there because it's a mile back off the trailhead. Just going to go back to the trailhead here. Right here. No shooting in this area of the forest, of course, because there's hikers here. But I'll shut her down. Get off. Hope I don't pull any of these wires out. I'm gonna have to get off on the other side, I think, maybe. Well, that's not coming off. There. Get off on this side. Turn these handlebars so they're not in my way. This is the side that I used to always get off when I could swing my leg over the bike. And there is a little sign. No recreation fee until further notice. No services provided. Well, they never did provide any services here. Every Wednesday is free for everybody. I don't see the map. There used to be a little map up there. But there's no map. So I gotta try and get back on here without pulling anything out. Let's see, can I do it? Hope my knee don't get stuck. Okay, there we go. And everything looks all right. Camera angle still looks good. Okay. And we're off again. Yeah, my backrest set screw never stays, even when I got Loctite on it. Always ends up moving down. One of my cameras just turned off. It shouldn't be turning off. It's plugged in to the battery pack.